Okay, finally, let us take a look at image formed by convex mirror. As you can see, image, not images. So why is it image? It is because only one type of image is formed by a convex mirror. Why is that so? Because both the focal point and the center of curvature are all behind the mirror. So you can see in front of the mirror, there is no focal point, there is no center of curvature. We have only the object. So wherever you place this object in front of a convex mirror, it is still going to give you the same type of image. It is just the distances that is going to change. So let us take a look at the type of image that is going to be formed. Before we do that, remember that a convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So what it means is that when we have a ray parallel to the principal axis, this ray is not going to converge. It is going to do what? Diverge. But the diverging has to be taken from the focal point. So it diverges this way. And finally, we use the ray that is passing through the center of curvature. And how will this ray pass? This ray is going to pass this way. Remember, this is a straight line, please. So here we use broken line, and we can see where the image is formed. And again, the image is behind the mirror, hence you can see it is virtual. Again, it is upright. You can use upright or you use erect. What is the size? You can see the size is smaller than the object. So we say it is what? Diminished. And where is it formed again? Behind the mirror. And behind the mirror has to be what? Between F and the pole. So what it means is that, number one, when we calculate, anytime we calculate the image, the distance of the image formed by a convex mirror, the distance has to be, image distance of a convex mirror will always be less than the focal length. So, convex mirror forms only one type of image. These are the characteristics. Now, convex mirror, the image formed by a convex mirror is what? Virtual. And remember, concave mirror forms one type of virtual image. But the difference between the virtual image formed by a concave mirror and that is formed by a convex mirror is that the virtual image formed by a concave mirror is enlarged, while the virtual image formed by a convex mirror is diminished. So when we do calculations, anytime you are solving for convex mirror, once you see convex mirror, just know that the image must be what? Virtual, and it must be diminished. Thank you very much. For exercises, for more exercises, for more questions under types of images formed by concave mirror, you check out the link below this video, and then check out our solved past questions in WAEC, JAMB, and Post-UME. Thank you very much.